Hadouken!
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes. Happy Friday, feliz viernes familia. Oh my goodness, I haven't slept that much, but I am here. Estoy aquí una vez más. Once again, let's go. Bienvenido. Good morning, traders and fam. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, David. Today's a big day for the market, and we've got some global tension hitting things up again. Before we jump in, quick shout out to all of you. Love to my latest track, Billonario. We're about to hit 100,000 views. Let's go. Yes, sir. 100,000 views for Billonario. Let's go. If you haven't seen it, click here, run it up, guys. I'm gonna share the link. And actually, the link is in the description, bro. It's in the description. Let's go. I'm so pumped about it. Let's talk about US stock market, guys. Okay. According to Seeking Alpha, okay, we're starting the day with futures slightly in the red. Investors are cautious after recent gains, and there's still uncertainty with interest rates and inflation. Big names like Nvidia and Apple could be in focus today. Let me know in the chat, are you buying any tech dips or waiting for more pullbacks? Bueno, guys, as you can see over here, the S&P unchanged, Nasdaq 0.1%, and the Dow future was flat. 10-year Treasury yield rose 1 basis point to 4.41%. The 2-year yield fell 1 basis point to 3.83%. China announced an increase in tariffs on U.S. goods to 125%, up from the previous rate of 84%, effective April 12, and stated it will disregard any additional tariff hikes announced by Washington moving forward. Okay? This is definitely going to add pressure on some U.S. exporters. If tensions keep rising, we might see more volatility in energy, industrials, and even consumer goods. Keep an eye on companies that rely heavily on China, okay? The next thing... Oh, by the way, mira, see? China retaliates against Trump tariffs, raises U.S. goods duties to 125%. But then after this, now there's an interesting twist in all of this different drama. Ooh, let me fix this over here. There you go. Yes, sir. Not all U.S. companies are getting hit. China is exempting semiconductor companies that outsource manufacturing. So names like Qualcomm, AMD, even Nvidia might be spared some pain, at least for now. The key here is outsourcing. The more you manufacture outside the US, the safer you might be under these new rules. Drop a little fire emoji if you're holding any chip stocks right now. Wow, guys. And while we're watching these charts, if you need a soundtrack for your hustle, go check out my song Billonario. I dropped it straight from the heart, and it's been climbing ever since. Let me go ahead and copy the link and paste it in the chat, and check out the link in the description, guys. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a quick look at what it is called, the stock market heat map. Stock heat map. There's a few things I gotta do, guys. By the way, didn't rest anything, man. Oh my god, I've been going to the studio and working out all the hours for all of you. I'm gonna be heading to Colombia soon, so learn Billonarios if you're from Colombia, bro. Si eres de Colombia, aprendete Billonario. Café en la mano, café in the hand. Friday, and you can see that yesterday we were red. Microsoft red, Google red, Meta red, Nvidia red, Apple red, Amazon red. We won't know until 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, all of this may change. We'll see. And what about the crypto bubbles, David? David, what about the crypto bubbles? Let's see what's up with the crypto bubbles. Actually, the daily in the green, guys. Jasmine 16%, Prompt 28, XCN 45, Orca 53, Argo 33, CO Popcat 28% to the up. Spell token. Oh, let me see. Okay. Let me relax. There's a lot of stuff that we gotta cover. So Bitcoin 82,055, guys. I was actually looking at some interesting videos yesterday. So who is this guy? Let me find the name of this guy, brother. There's the guy with the economy guy. I forgot his name, man. Let me see if I can find him. The guy that I'm looking for is Howard Lutnick. Oh my god. So I was looking Howard Lutnick speaking about Bitcoin, bro. He said yesterday something very interesting. I mean, I don't know if it was yesterday, but yesterday he did say Bitcoin is going way higher. He said this, I think, about a month ago. So it seems like he does want to see Bitcoin go higher, and my sentiment for Bitcoin has changed completely, guys. So I was bearish at a moment when there was a lot of uncertainty, but now I think we haven't confirmed yet. I do have a lot of lines, so I apologize if I confuse you, okay? We are not bullish engulfing right now, but you can see that the Bitcoin weekly candle has a big rejection on the bottom of the wick of the candle, and the daily yesterday it didn't close bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing, I will say. The 4 hour broke a major trend line here in the 4 hour. We have this uptrend here. We're looking good. So I think people are waiting to get paid. That's it. People won't get paid today on a Friday. People will get paid on next Tuesday. But the ones that get early in right now are getting the discount. I'm telling you all. Looking at the 1 hour, I see some signs of life. Okay. Example here. The 2-pole oscillator is telling me on the 1 hour that we gotta go up. Over here at 80,600. Not complicated. I'm not complicating my investment anymore. I'm following certain rules, certain parameters and variables, and I see things looking a little bit better. Yes, yesterday we did go down. I know that BetaBot and I were making money over here selling the Bitcoin. I know it. But then things change. Things do change and are starting to look a little bit better. You can see that we had a little bit of consolidation at 78, 79. We broke out over there, and now we're back at a major resistance that we gotta keep an eye on, guys. This is gonna be a critical price point. We have to break it if we wanna continue with it. Okay, no confirmation just yet, but we are definitely creating some interesting movements in the Bitcoin chart. Can we retrace? Maybe we can, but I'm enjoying this exponential moving average spread. We try to go up, pump, then 1, 2, 3 retest of the trend line. This is gonna be a critical point for Bitcoin, okay? And now we are a little bit stuck on the resistance. We just need a little bit of a push. So what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. Other things that have moved to the upside, not by much, but I do want to call it out. Ethereum is at 1,550s, only 2% up. Okay, only 2% up. Not crazy. I see Cardano, 61 cents. We are creating a resistance again. You can see 4 hour. So look at that 1 hour. Yeah, we gotta break out of here. We gotta break out of here if we really want to push to the upside. We did break out of this trend line. We're above the 200 EMA. Will it keep it there? We'll have to wait and find out. XRP 199, the same thing for XRP. Avalanche over here, 1899. We reached a 200 EMA, so now we're pulling back just a tiny bit. Okay, that's where we are right now. Solana 118, 5%. Solana looking better. Solana looking definitely better. Had a buy signal over here at 101. We are starting to break out of a major trend line. So we are barely confirmed. Barely. Not totally confirmed. We got our resistance at 118.5. Surprise. And I actually got in again yesterday. Adjust me 14.6%. I'm sure I didn't make the move, but look at that weekly. This weekly candle is showing me good signs. Bullish engulfing can definitely show us a little bit of life for this altcoin, even though, like I said, there could be a little bit of a pullback, but it wouldn't be that much of a problem in my perspective. We need liquidity somewhere. Spell token 7% up. Interesting. The one that caught my eye, guys, is Popcat. I mean, I was just watching this. I was just only watching this, and it was creating this up down. This is actually, it reminds me of the AMC price before it went up. It looked like this, bro. It looked like this. So we're getting some interesting movements. Not totally 100% confirmed that everything's gonna go up, but things are looking a little bit better. And even Ondo, 12% to the upside. Another bullish engulfing candle there. Can you believe it's still snowing in April, bro? Yes, I believe it. It was snowing over here the other day. It was pretty dang cold in Chicago, bro. I've never experienced that before I moved over here to Chicago. But it's a blessing, you know. Look at this. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin, okay? See that? I'm telling you all, bro. I woke up better, but I haven't slept. I think I slept only like 2 hours again. I haven't slept. I need to sleep very deeply. I need to sleep deeply. But I couldn't miss out the opportunity to talk with all of you real quick about stocks, about crypto, because I feel like this is an interesting opportunity at play that we had to keep an eye on. And I don't know, I just wanted to share all of this information with somebody. I was talking to I told my friends, hey man, look at the price. I think Bitcoin is gonna go up, but they're sleeping. So I was like, nah, let me just do a live stream. Betabat, are you doing good, bro? Betabat is the OG, bro. Betabat is the OG. Betabat, look at this. You see this? We're gonna break resistance, my bro. We're gonna break resistance. Yeah, I haven't slept, bro. I think I'm you and I mean, I can understand you now. Betabat always using the stickers. I love it, bro. Betabat is like Betabat. When you make your first 10,000 or 100,000, at least subscribe or become a member to this channel, okay? And check out the music video, Billonario, bro. Billonario is almost at 100,000 views. Do you know? Check this out, bro. I'm gonna share this with you, bro. Since you and I have a long relationship in this channel, bro. You only speak in English, right, Betabat? Or do you speak another language, my bro? Let me see. Let me share with you the the video, bro. Ver about. Here you go, bro. Este es el video, bro. Look, bro, look at Bitcoin. Oh, Howard Lutnick said it, bro. He said it best. Oh, we're getting this structure. Bro, you're gonna see Chinese? You speak Chinese, bro? What? Bro, I would love to learn Chinese, my bro. Bro, check out the music video. Mira, 99,000 views, bro. Let's go. 99,000 views for this video. No, not this. This is the advertisement. This video, bro. Dang it, bro. Billonario. Look at this, bro. We recorded it all in Chicago, bro. Look at this. What a fun music video to do. By the way, this was done at a studio where actually I was there in that building yesterday. We weren't recording videos, but we were recording songs. Some fire songs that are coming up, bro. Ooh. Look at this. Look at my bass guitar, bro. Javier Bellido with the camera work. Bro, boom. The King David. You already know it, bro. And a lot of people loving this in Colombia and Mexico. Tengo que dar un shout out allá. I gotta give a shout out. Starting to learn Japanese and Korean. Where, bro? Duolingo? Oh, look at this, bro. Almost at 83K, bro. Ay, let's go. I told my friend yesterday, Bitcoin buy. Bitcoin buy. Buy Bitcoin, bro. Buy Bitcoin. This is it. This is it, bro. We did go to 74. We know, but already got the confirmations. Let's see if we break the resistance. We should be heading up, bro. And if we get out of this trend line, we should definitely be heading up. So I'm keeping an eye on Bitcoin right now, guys, because that drop, even though we didn't reach 50K, I wanted to see 50K. It didn't happen. We stayed within the 50 exponential moving average on the weekly. That's good. That's good. Veraba, check out that music video, bro. Share with your friends. But you live in the US? No, you live in Canada, right? You live in Canada, huh? Veraba. Bro, even Ethereum looking much better. Look at this. Look at this, bro. I already got my entries, bro. Canada, right? The 51st state. I'm kidding, bro. I'm kidding, man. I mean, if you want to become a state, awesome, whatever. I thought Puerto Rico was going to be the 51st. But, hey, if Canada wants it, we can become the 52nd if needed. Who cares? Nah, if Puerto Rico wants it. There's a lot of people that don't want the statehood. Just as Canada. There's people that want it, there's people that don't want it. Part of it. Dímelo. Carbon tax. Let me see. Canada. I am waiting to move out. Yeah, we got tax every day. But see, that's what I hate about taxes, bro. In the United States, they're thinking about even removing the income tax, bro. Do you know that? They're trying to remove the income tax. They're actually want to do more tax cuts. Bro, I wish I had a little bit of a tax cut. You know, this year, I didn't get anything from my taxes, bro. It's crazy. And I got taxed heavily, bro. Like nasty. I got nasty taxes, bro. But I had to do it. It's responsibility. I'll be an adult, you know, and I'll file them. So it's fine. It's fine. Oh, by the way, let's check out DXY. DXY 99, bro. Told you we were gonna go down, bro. Oh my goodness. Look at this. We are back down to the support. I told you the XY was gonna go down, bro. And this is the reason why crypto has been looking a little bit better, bro. Look at this. And this is a very strong area that we gotta keep an eye on for the XY. And if it goes lower, it can go to 95, bro. That's it. Not complicated. DJI, bro, we bounced on the 200 EMA. Currently at 39,394. The market is open, and you can see that we're retracing just a little bit. But not a bad bounce. Not a bad bounce. XPX 5,244, negative 23%, guys. $23. Sorry, not 23%. US 100, 18,300. As you can see, we tried to go up. Massive candle. I actually like that candle, bro. If we get to break that trend line, bro, you already know what's up. IXIC 16,370s. We did break out of this trend line here, the minor one, so let's delete it. And we are back down to the 200 EMA, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a trend line there. And I'm gonna delete this one because I need my now yellow white trend line. This is a very good trend line for me to see against the black color background, okay, or dark color background. The IXIC US oil 59.98, bro. Let's go. Things are not looking bad over here. We did break out of a trend line, but everything good right now. 59 stable price, not a bad at all, not bad at all. And actually, let's create a resistance here so we can add it and keep an eye on it. Gold 3,236, bro. Gold has been going massive. We knew that gold was gonna continue. Next up would be 3,427 if we continue with the upside. Let's wait and find out how this trend line will behave now, because we're looking good with gold. Gold is looking delicious, by the way. Even though on the 1 hour we're getting a sell signal, I'm not quite sure about that. Maybe we do. Maybe we do gotta go down to 3,200, 3,100. But with everything that has been going, I think it's looking good. Bitcoin is at 82,137, bro. We gotta break out of that resistance. We are so close to getting that done, but we haven't. Okay, we haven't. So let's look at the stock market heat map real quick to see how everything is looking. Carbon tax, rain tax, income tax, filing tax. I'm filing my tax next week. Oh, bro, the butt tax. Bro, when you eat, you get taxed. When you pay, you get taxed. When you work, you get taxed. When you freaking breathe, you get taxed. Bro, it's crazy. No. The government it has a good role, but use the tax money correctly too, you know. Let's see, technology services 1.3, Microsoft 0.5, negative 0.6 on Meta, CRM, ACN. So we are not totally green, okay? But Nvidia 2.1% AVGO. We got over here AMD with the upside, not bad at all. And we are a little bit gray and a little bit red in utilities, health, transportation, commercial. So not bad. It's not bad at all across the board. Let me go ahead and see a few things in the stock market that I'm keeping an eye on. For example, Nokia 486. This is looking good, guys. Nokia is looking delicious now. We needed a little bit of liquidity. There we are, bro. We are actually up 0.7%, but look at this. It's looking very, very good in my perspective. CleanSpark, crypto play in the stock market. I think this can be heading up now. If crypto goes up, this motherfucker is gonna go up, up, and away, maybe to 24, maybe even higher, guys. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. We already got a daily signal in the two-pole oscillator, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Intel 1848, I want to see Intel prosper, but right now it's not doing amazing, so we gotta keep an eye on that if it goes lower. AMD 9370s, AMD not bad at all. 9392, let's look at that daily, and we are not broken of the trend line, but definitely want to watch out for that. Nvidia $110, this is actually looking much better, a little bit more healthier. We gotta break out of the trend line. As you can see over here, the weekly has not reached the 200 EMA, but the 4 hour, I got a buy signal here in the two-pole oscillator. I just want to see a break of a trend line. This I don't know what's gonna happen here, bro. It's looking a little bit better for Nvidia, honestly, because you can see here that we're getting an uptrend, but we gotta break out of that trend line. That major trend line is gonna be critical. Okay, I like that candle that we have right now for the weekly finish. Let's see what happens there. And let me go ahead and take a look at some other items in my perspective, in things that I'm keeping an eye on. And SENS 57 cents. Okay, 57 cents for SENS. Not totally confirmed here, but I do want to watch out for this one. It's a penny stock play, but let's see what happens here, guys. So keep an eye on that as well. Waiting for a trend line break. Let me see. Yep, waiting for a trend line break. That's it. Man, I think I spoke a lot. Oh, Apple 191. Apple looking good. I actually got in Apple yesterday, so I think this is gonna be good. See the 200 EMA, we are actually bouncing from there, not bad. Waiting for a trend line break. And that's it. That's what I wanted to review, guys. Keep an eye on crypto, bro. I think crypto is the one that's gonna be moving now, even though we have priority in the US companies. But I think crypto, look at this bullish candle, bro. It's engulfing the previous one. So if we stay there for the end of the day, we're gonna keep on going. That's it, bro. Better, but I spoke too much, bro. Check out my music video, Billonario, okay? Look at this stock market heat map, crypto bubbles. Look at that. Look at the Popcat, bro. 34%. Yasmi 17. Bro, I'm winning. Oh, Spell Token 21%. I'm winning. Are you winning, son? Are you winning, son? Jasmine 16.9%. What is that, bro? Sin dormir. I haven't slept, bro. I haven't slept. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I haven't slept at all. I don't know how I'm gonna work today, but I'm gonna do it, bro. I'll do it. That's how I am. Oh my god. Where is my what is that? Oh my goodness. What is that? This is something, though. Bro, that Bitcoin, huh? Bro, and that Popcat, 27%, that's crazy. I actually got in this one, bro. I'm in it. I'm in this Popcat, bro. Bet about. I'm just letting you know. Don't tell anybody else, okay? We're gonna make too much money, bro. Too much money, and people don't. Bro, I'm telling you, man. Right now, bet about. We're in the best opportunity ever. I think we got it, bro. I think we gotta figure it out. But anyways, guys, I think I just wanted to say all of this, what I said. One last review before I go. Bet about. One last review. Stock market heat map. A little bit of green, a little bit of gray, a little bit of red. It's all good. That's how the market is. Actually, talking about looking at Tesla. Let me see Tesla. What bet about? Are you scared or what? What is happening, bro? I want to understand your emojis. Hey, Tesla 253, bro. We haven't broken out of the trend line. Oh, we gotta break out. We gotta break out of this trend line, bro. I think it will do good if it does. Okay. Oh, beta, but we haven't broken the resistance. You're sleepy? Me too, bro. Me too. I'm sleepy. What? How? I don't even know how I'm still standing. Bet about 1 hour candle closes in 9 minutes. I think I may want to do this for Bitcoin. Okay. Let's see what happens, bro. And after that, I think I may go run off to the real world life. Oi, Bitcoin, come on, man. Continue pushing, bro. Continue pushing. You were already at 83K, man. Come on, no. Let's see. It's rejecting the resistance, bro. We have this cross. We haven't crossed already in the 1 hour. Let's look at the 30 minutes. 30 minutes. The buy was on point. The 78K price point was on point. Still haven't received any sell signals, but may get it. We may get it. Ah, man, we didn't break out of the resistance, bro. Let's see what happens, bro. I wanted to see it break out of the resistance. See, everything's getting sell signals in the 30 minutes. Let me see. Solana is getting it. Jasmine is not getting it. Jasmine is doing well, bro. Spell token, a little bit of retracement. We're above the 200 EMA, which is crazy. That Popcat, bro. What the heck, bro? Look at this. Making profit there. Bitcoin 82K 935, bro. We gotta break that resistance, break out of that 200 EMA. If we do, bet about, ooh, it's over, bro. It's over. I am sleepy too, bro. I am sleepy too. I don't know how I'm awake, bro. Honestly, with all honesty. Better but en la casa, bro. Better but en la casa. Better but en la casa, bro. Better but en la casa, bro. Bro, I'm trying to find the. What is that? I gotta find that song somewhere. Let me see if I can find this one. Bro, let's go. I want to see things go up already, bro. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Para, 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 para. Para, pa, 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 pum. Para, 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 para. Ah, here it is, bro. David the Hacker. Bro, if we break the trend line, if we break the resistance, I got a song for this, bro. Bro, if we break the resistance, we gotta play this, bro. Let me see, this one. What's happening to my computer? Bro, let's see what happens. We haven't broken the resistance, so I'm not able to play it just yet. Not yet, bro. Not yet. Too early. We gotta break out of the resistance. We gotta break out. Oh, I'm making some good profit with Bitcoin already, bro. Bitcoin is actually leading in my portfolio right now. Second stop will be Ethereum. But bro, if we break the resistance, I'm gonna play that song again, bro. I think it's just that people will get paid over here on the 15th, and that's next Tuesday, bro. Keep in mind, cash flow. Where will the cash flow, guys? Where will the cash flow? And I think a lot of people are getting into more crypto. It's getting easier as well. Yesterday I was doing Coinbase things, and it's getting easier, bro. It's getting much easier. MetaMask is actually a great tool. There's technology, bro. It just gets better with time, bro. That's it. At the 50s, 60s, we had computers of the size of a fridge, and they only did like programs with light. I don't know if you already knew this, but I'm giving you a little bit of history of computers. And now everything is here in our hands, bro. It's crazy. Actually, even a freaking watch. That's why I feel like technology companies like Apple are still gonna be very, very important. Not because of the hardware in itself, it's the software and the privacy. I think that's gonna be critical for Apple, okay? Even though China has Huawei, for example, they have a great phone, but the infrastructure for privacy, for the software is gonna be critical. I think that's gonna be the critical play for Apple, other than hardware. Yeah, hardware is good enough. Everybody has an iPhone, so how can we make things better for Apple users? The experience, the security, and whatever else they actually want to do. I do feel like Apple needs to innovate a little bit more, but that is one side of things. It's not the whole thing. I studied computer science. I used to do hardware, but the real meat and bones is literally on the software. Software is going to be critical. As you already know, when Apple came out with the Macintosh, it wasn't only about the computer, but the operating system. Actually, when Steve Jobs left the company, he didn't leave, he got kicked out. He actually created Next. The reason that he did Next is because he created a component that was going to be very important for the Apple computers. Even though they manufactured a ton of them, it was the operating system. The operating system was created in Next. Then Apple bought Next. So Steve Jobs was back in the Apple company, and then the stockholders voted him in once again as a president or CEO. And that's a little bit of history of Apple. But anyways, I just want to say that software is going to be a critical point for Apple, and I think that's where we are right now. And even Google, you can see getting a little bit of a bump, 155. I'm just giving you perspective, guys. I know that we did go down in the market because of the tariffs, but the tariffs were only an instrument of negotiations, and we are getting it, bro. The biggest negotiation was China. It is still China. China is going to be the critical player here. And I even started to see some videos of Chinese factories not getting a lot of work because of the tariffs. And that's what is happening. And by the way, let's go ahead and take a quick look over here at the big movers. Mining stocks, MVS, Anglo Gold, Stellantis, Joby Aviation are actually movers here for Friday. I just wanted to call it out because Seeking Alpha is calling it out. But anyways, guys, I don't know if it's the coffee or what, but I'm actually pumped. Hopefully things do move as we wanted to see it move. You can see Bitcoin just closed the 1 hour candle bullish. So we are retracing a little bit just as it is, as it should be. Just a little bit of a pullback. We are in a resistance level that's very critical. As I said, it's very... Oh, we got a sell signal in the 30 minutes. Yeah. Yo. We want to see that 30-minute candle, how it's going to do. But because of that hourly candle, bro, that hourly candle looks good. I don't know exactly what may happen, but we are, like I said, at a strong resistance. If we do want to go up, we got to break out of here. Otherwise, we're going to consolidate, maybe go down a little bit. But it's looking mighty fine right now. Look at this. Look at that. I'm not ignoring what I'm seeing here, guys. And in the 4 hour, what I see over here is this beautiful thing. I'm looking at it on my phone right now. The 14, the 50, and the 7 exponential moving average are actually crossing here. That's going to be a critical point for Bitcoin. It's looking much better now. We'll have to wait and find out. There's nothing else for us to do, guys, but to wait. I do see a little bit of rejection here at 81,600s. Very critical point for crypto. Let's see what happens. We did go up to 83,200. Now back down. That 30 minutes is calling it out a little bit. See, yeah, I see the 2-pole oscillator giving me some sells. But let's wait and find out. That 1 hour candle is going to be important. I am sleepy. Me too. I'm sleepy too, bro. I'm actually going to say goodbye to all of you because I got to do some stuff for work. But yeah, keep an eye on this area, bro. This is going to be critical. I thought we were going to break out of it. I mean, we're still in profits, but we need that. We need that bullish engulfing candle, bro. In the 1 hour and 4 hour. We need that bullish engulfing candle if we really want to go up. If we really want to go up. You can see that we're trying to get out, and this is going to be an important price point. This is going to be a critical price point for the market. If it's not today, maybe tomorrow, maybe next Tuesday. I don't know. Have to wait and find out. This is going to be a critical price point. 82,478 right now for Bitcoin. That is crazy. And I'm sleepy too, bro. I'm sleepy. I'm not like Joe Biden sleepy, but I'm sleepy. You know, they call him Sleepy Joe Biden for some reason. I don't know. Crazy politics, bro. Politics name calling. Politics name calling. That's what it is. We were so pumped. That 30 minutes. One last pull back down. Could be. Let's see what happens here in the support zone. 30 minutes, 2-pole oscillator. Let's see what happens there. What is it? Making profit. What is that? It's in the rejection. Bet about you still there, bro? Even though you're sleepy, bro. Bet about is a legend, bro. Wow, bro. It's crazy. Crazy day, bro. Bet about en la casa. Yeah, Bet about is here, bro. Bet about, I'm going to Colombia to sing, bro. Do you know? I'm going to Colombia. We're going to be singing Billonario. We're going to be singing... I don't know if it's Say Goodbye. Maybe I'll sing Say Goodbye, bro. Maybe I'll sing Say Goodbye and see how it goes. You want me to record it, Bet about? I'm going to perform my first time in another country, bro. I never sang in another country. I at least had a show. I mean, I sang some things, but... Look at this, Bet about. Look at this, Bet about. Bro, Bet about. Maybe we should go to Canada, bro. Should I go to Canada and sing? That would be awesome, bro. I would love to meet you too, bro. You've been an OG. Like, you've been here, bro, for so long. And by the way, my channel is growing, Bet about. But it's not because of the stock market. It's because of the music. My music is actually growing the channel. 5,147 subs over here. And I feel the subscribers in this channel is very, very important. Very, very, very critical, bro. This channel is important. I stopped a little while back and look at this, Bet about. You see it? Do you see it? You see what I'm talking about? You see the candles, Bet about? Do you see the candles, Bet about? Are you ready for me to play this song, bro, Bet about? Are you ready for me to play this song, bro? Are you ready for me to... We're gonna break out. We're gonna break out, Bet about. We're gonna break out. You're watching it. You're watching. You're sleepy, but you're watching. I know, bro. I know for a fact. Look. Bet about. You and I are gonna celebrate over here, bro. You're watching. I knew it. You're watching. I knew you're watching, bro. I knew you're watching. You're watching it very closely. You're like, does it break? Je ne parle pas très bien français. I know you're from Canada, bro. So maybe I gotta go to Canada, bro. I wanna go to Canada. Maybe meet Philip Solo TV. Philip Solo TV is a great YouTuber. He actually makes songs too. He's good. Hello, Baco. Bro, you're watching it closely. Man, we got a full hour, bro. Full hour to go. Oh, Dios mío. Do we have somebody on Kick? I don't know if we got somebody on Kick. Let me see. I just load in a small amount of Doge, bro. I'm in Doge too. I got in Doge. I bought Doge as well, bro. I'm actually in a lot of stuff. Like last night, I was piling up. Yeah, Doge looking good, bro. Doge looking good. Let me see. Doge. What? This is perfect. I'm gonna go with you, bro. I'm gonna go with you. I'm gonna go Doge. Okay, I'm in Doge. I'm gonna go Doge because of this. We're above the 50 EMA. We can go to the 200. And that's a 10% gain alone. So, and we're getting... Mira esto, bro. Look at the exponential moving averages. I'm in with you. I'm in it with you, bro. You're not by yourself. I really think that if Bitcoin goes up, it definitely goes up. That's it. But we gotta break that resistance, bro. We're still strong, that resistance, bro. Still strong. Look at this. You see that? Still strong. Betabot is pumped. Betabot, you're gonna see, bro. By the way, let me change the meta tags for this. I didn't... Why didn't I do this, Betabot? I gotta blame myself. I didn't put in the correct tags for the live stream. So if you're here, you're lucky, bro. It's because you subscribe, not because you searched for anything, you know? Okay, let me go ahead and do this. Yeah, bro. There you go. Let's see what happens, bro. Bro, look at this. Bro. Betabot, you're gonna be able to sleep well again, bro. You just gotta break that resistance. That's it, bro. That's it. Man, my charting is getting better, bro. Using less stuff actually is better. And I removed some lines in the background. Looks way cleaner. That 30 minutes 2-pole oscillator, I just don't see it yet. I don't see that becoming the truth. I see the truth in the 4-hour. Actually, the daily, bro. Daily is gonna be critical here, bro. I wanna see that break of our resistance. If we break it, we good. But if we don't, we should be good as well. Just wanna watch for good buys. Betabot. We just got 50 more minutes to go, bro. This is gonna take a while. Betabot, should I stay here until the hour candle closes? To hold each other's hands right now. With that said, let's take a look over here. The hourly, bro. Prompt 13%, XCN 5.9, Carat 7.1. Go sleep now. I can't sleep, bro. Or you go to sleep, bro. Yeah, go to sleep, bro. You'll be fine. I think you can sleep. Sleep, bro. Sleep. Don't be like that, bro. You gotta take your rest. If you don't rest, you won't be able to be productive during the day, bro. Take care, my bro. Have a beautiful day, my bro. Good to see you, Betabot. Take it easy, bro. Take it easy. Just relax. Everything will be alright. We're gonna be breaking the resistance, though, when you go to sleep. That's what I think is gonna happen. When you sleep, we're gonna rock it. When you sleep, we go to we rock it. Cuando te duermas, vamos a explotar de aquí. I can't sleep, bro. Too many things going on. I actually gotta go very soon, bro. I gotta go. Yep, I gotta go. Beta, but take care, bro. Have a beautiful day. Beta, but we didn't break out. We're still looking good though, but we didn't break out just yet. Man, we were so close. So close. We rejected. We so close. Oh! 82,500. Oh my goodness. Beta, but you leave, bro. Leave. Get out of here. Go to sleep. Leave me alone. I'm kidding, bro. You can stay however you want, bro. How much time you want. But by the way, don't forget to check out Billonario, bro. This video is going crazy. Look, 100,000 almost 100,000 views, bro. It's crazy, my bro. Crazy, bro. Look at Ellis Clark, the legend from Chicago, bro. He's a legend, bro. La leyenda Ellis Clark, my bro. See you. Take care, bro. Take care. Let's see if we break out. I want to see a breakout over here. Let's see if Bitcoin breaks out. Otherwise, we're going to retrace back down. Should be fine. I don't mind. Bro, but if we break the resistance, we're going to go. We're going to go up. If we break the resistance, it's only need a little bit of a push, guys. Look at this. Rejection. I'm already in Bitcoin, guys. I already bought. I bought around 79,000, 80,000. My entries. So I'm managing my trade right now. And everything else, if Bitcoin goes up, everything else will go up. Even though it's not gonna be a lot, but it will go up. Look at PopCat, bro. Look at PopCat. 21 cents already. 24% up. Ondo is up 9.3%. But Bitcoin, bro, is gonna be the critical one. Bet about go to sleep, bro. Go to sleep, bro. I don't wanna see you here. Go to sleep. This guy is crazy, guys. Can you believe it? Bet about is crazy, bro. He's an OG, by the way. By the way, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, guys. We do this every day, by the way. I want to see some likes. I want to see some subscribes if you can. And we're doing the live stream on Kick as well. I don't usually do Kick live stream, but we're doing Kick for a while. We've been doing Kick for a while. Okay, I see the Kick live stream is looking good. See what happens, bro. A 1 hour candle. Here we go, bro. Man, that 30-minute, bro. It didn't break. 12 more minutes to go for that 30-minute candle. 42 minutes. Bitcoin is holding up. It didn't shoot up. That hour candle is gonna be critical, bro. Still looks good to me, but just a critical price point, bro. Retracing back down is fine. It's fine. I consider that healthy. Healthy young food. Man, healthy young food. I got an interview of those two, bro, before they split up. I should post it, bro. The last interview of healthy young food, bro. Beno be deep, be deep. Well, we didn't break out. We didn't break out, bro. That 30-minute, bro. 2-pole oscillator. 1 hour still good, bro. Retracement needed, bro. Everything. Even spell token retrace. But Pepe Bank Popcat, oh my goodness. Ondo, Chip, XLM, Lithium, Doge, 15 cents. Ooh, let's see. Oh, brother. No, that double top. It's a double top. Let's see. We're back in the zone. Just waiting to see here what's gonna happen, bro. Dang it, bro. There we go. That's the downside. That's the downside. 30 minutes. Let's look at the 1 hour. We're still good. We're still good. It didn't break the resistance. It didn't break the resistance. Dun, 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 dun. Well, we'll see what happened, bro. We couldn't break out. We couldn't break out. We couldn't break out. Oh, we couldn't break out, my bros. Creating lower lows. We don't have a high though. We don't have a top wick. We didn't break out, bro. We were so close. So close. So close. We didn't get it. Let me see the overall market. The stock heat map. We red. Gray. Let's see. Green. Where are we? We're red and gray. Not that bad. Could have been worse. Crypto bubbles. Last hour. Got some green. Got some red. Okay. By the way, I gotta give a shout out to my friend Rhymester, bro. He's killing it in the music scene, bro. He's going to Tucson, Arizona, for a show called Eyes on the Prize, which he will be taken to Colombia as well. Eyes on the Prize. It ain't luck when you roll the dice. It is about everything, don't even categorize. We only speak truth, we don't speak some lies. Well, guys, I'm gonna leave it here. We didn't break out. A sad day for King David. I wanted to see a breakout, bro. So close, but yet too far. We almost had it, bro. We almost had it. 30-minute. Spoke the truth here, bro. He was doing so well. So we are here. Yeah. Almost, bro. We almost had it. Almost had it. It was a big pump. We reached that resistance and now we're back down. $32 minutes to go. 32 minutes to go. Waiting patiently, bro, on the sides, the sideline. Bitcoin did fall. That 30 minutes was truth. We're in the 200 EMA right now. Yes, sir. We were there, almost there, almost there. Almost there, bro. The 30-minute was truth. That resistance was very, very much truth. For everything. Everything.
He got these yellow brown eyes and a smile on his face when he tells me he wants me. From the feelings I can hide when I
Well, we almost had it. Almost had it. Almost had it, bro. Got the air feeling vibrant. Well, guys, I'm gonna leave it here, man. I think we already know what may happen, what can happen. We talked about the markets. Bro, check out my song Billonario on all streaming platforms, bro. La canción de Billonario en todas las plataformas digitales. Alright, fam, I'll be watching the market open closely and sharing updates live. So hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let me know what you're thinking of China's moves. Are you bullish, bearish, or just stacking cash on the sidelines? Stay focused, stay smart, and always stay David. We do the videos con mucho, mucho amor. And as always, have a beautiful day.